The data streams ran slick and cold. A ghost packet rolled out of a German proxy. 1,926 events. A targeted digital siege. They were casing the joint. I pulled the intel wire. The suspect had prior convictions, a 100% confidence rating for abuse, across the global grid. A repeat offender comes with this volume to gut the database engine. I grabbed the Saracata logs by the throat. All 1,926 probes rattled the exact same heavy door, port 1433. This network map shows the attack path bypassing the perimeter. They aimed straight for the Microsoft SQL Server engine, the direct gateway to the data vault. Our external honeypot sensors felt the blunt force knocks piling up. They were mapping the architecture, looking for a tell. 1,900 knocks means they already had a blueprint. They knew exactly what they wanted to extract before they ever threw a real punch. I pulled the traffic analysis into the light. In the shadows, they were assembling a specific custom lie. They used TDS7, or Tabular Data Stream. That is the proprietary, native language of the database engine itself. This diagram highlights the deception. Standard exploits bounce off the firewall, but a native protocol mimics trusted traffic, slipping right past the filters. I caught the delivery packet stream and listened. It was a crowbar wrapped in velvet, matching the tumblers perfectly. When an intruder speaks the native protocol of your data layer, your perimeter firewalls are useless. 1,925 failures. Then the lock had a tell. The right credential combination finally slipped through the encryption. The system logs flashed. The database responded with an SQL Batch Server Response. Access was granted. The door swung wide. They stepped inside for an unfettered conversation directly with the vault. Hours of massive, noisy probing ended in a single whisper in the dark. That one whisper was all it took. A single accepted command at the raw data layer is a failure. It compromises the underlying integrity of the entire system. I tracked their footprints past the breach point. They immediately abandoned the entry door to establish a permanent foothold. They need it forever, so they built it, weaving their code directly into the database engine to survive future reboots. The compromised box started talking to someone it shouldn't. They set up a command and control leash, reaching back to their handlers. I traced the call, a silent, continuous pulse in the void. It was waiting for the next set of instructions. A broken lock can be fixed. Targeted, silent persistence inside your network is the real danger. Then came the final objective of the ghost. The sensitive tables and records started bleeding out. This chart visualizes the damage. Data draining slow and deliberate, patient, methodical. This is the signature of a professional hand. I pulled their digital fingerprints from the scene. Hash signature 6C2B. The ghost now has a permanent forensic record. They breached the perimeter and took what they wanted, but I logged every step, mapping their playbook and exposing their methods for the next fight. The system remembers. Case filed.